The Quest 44-inch Super Cruiser Longboard Skateboard. Quest Boards is quickly becoming one of the top names in the action sports world. The Super Cruiser is Quest's best-selling board for 2 years running. It is a 44-inch artisan-crafted deluxe longboard with a beautiful bamboo and cold-climate maplewood deck. It also has rugged, corrosion-resistant aluminum trucks and super durable 70mm PU wheels. It features both a kicktail and a kick nose to allow you to still pull tricks on a stable board. The original abstract graphics combined with the natural wood finish are sure to get you noticed. This classy performance board will take you where you need to go, in style. It's great for rolling around town, getting to class, or cruising along the boardwalk. Top quality components ensure maximum durability and optimal performance. This board truly personifies affordable luxury and superior craftsmanship. To recap its key features, the Super Cruiser has a 7-ply Superflex bamboo and cold climate hardwood maple deck, durable 70 by 51mm 80A PU wheels, rugged and lightweight 7-inch aluminum trucks, smooth riding trucks with reverse kingpin configuration, precision ABEX 7 bearings, wheel wells to prevent wheel bite on extreme turns, all at a great price. Look for more innovative action sports gear coming soon from Quest Boards. Life is a quest. Enjoy the ride.
WhiteWave Longboards combines a sleek design with a smooth ride to give you the best pintail longboard. The board itself is Canadian maple mixed with bamboo to create a sturdy yet flexible ride. Whether you're cruising downtown or bombing that steepest skate spot, this board is the one for you. Every carve is like gliding on water. The slight concave in the board, combined with the classy yet durable spray-on grip tape, allows complete control while riding the pintail. ABEX 7 bearings ensure that you'll be rolling all day. Soft, durable wheels make carving fun and easy. WhiteWave Longboards. Grab a board, get with your friends. Try one today. You won't be disappointed.
Introducing the Magneto 44-inch bamboo cruiser. Made with love, straight from the heart of the Magneto development team, the cold-pressed bamboo cruiser is a must-have in your quiver of boards. Designed to be a be-all and end-all solution to your rough road cruising woes, the bamboo cruiser is engineered specifically to dampen road vibrations and keep you rolling for a long time with high-quality construction and parts. This complete setup features 6 plies of Canadian maple sandwiched between 2 layers of high-strength carbon-infused bamboo for maximum flex and incredible strength. The board is formed to a camber concave hybrid mold, meaning it will hug your feet and absorb road vibrations at the same time. The trucks are fitted with super high rebound bushings made from high-quality energy-returning urethane. The gravity-casted aluminum trucks are made of high-density materials with precision geometry, meaning that you get predictable turns and powerful carves, all with the reassurance that your trucks will not bend. Your Magneto brand wheels are made with the same high rebound urethane as your bushings, meaning that you won't lose energy when you're pushing for long rolling periods and soft landings in case you ever want to do tricks. The sharp lips guarantee grip, but if you go hard, possible slip. And your wheels are low tolerance ABEC 11 bearings for energy saving rolling with possible speed.
The Quest 40-inch Native Spirit Kicktail Longboard skateboard. This 40-inch pro-quality longboard will catch attention both by its performance as well as the original tribal-inspired graphic created by artist Ana Lara Salinas. It gives you the best of all worlds with a stable 10-inch deck with a wide kicktail to let you still pull some tricks at the skate park. The Native Spirit is built to last with a 7-ply all-cold climate hardwood maple deck, rugged aluminum trucks, and durable 70mm PU wheels. Whether it's riding across town or cruising to the beach, travel in style and get noticed on this neoclassic beauty. The Native Spirit really is a perfect board for all your journeys, explorations, and adventures. This board is sure to inspire all who see it with its quality, style, and performance. Life's a quest. Enjoy the ride.
Here we have a beautiful Yocaher Kicktail Complete Longboard. Yocaher has been continuously innovating its products to bring you the best of the best. This complete longboard features 40 inches of pure adrenaline within its solid 8-ply maple construction. This kicktail comes equipped with 9-inch heavy-duty aluminum trucks with a reverse kingpin setup to allow sleek carving and smooth cruising as it was designed to do. With 70mm 78A gel speed cruiser wheels, you will surely have a smooth ride. Tiny bumps, cracks, and rocks will pose no threat to beginner and experienced riders alike. The Ritalin ABEC 7 bearings will allow you to fulfill your need for speed. The Black Widow premium grade grip tape paired with the radial concave on this board will allow you to have ample foot space while giving you the ability to maneuver freely and do tricks. Whether you want to cruise down the street, carve the class, or sail through foot traffic, the Kicktail will equip you with the necessary means to maximize your longboarding experience. With durable construction and first-rate components, the Yocaher Kicktail sets the bar for affordable, high-caliber longboards. What are you waiting for? Feel the Yocaher experience with the Kicktail Complete. Get your ride today.